Hey love bugs, welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with Myfirstwig and they sent me the cutest, most darling and adorable wig on the planet. Now this one here is new, or maybe it's just new to me, but this is their AirFluff technology. This beautiful girl is a kinky straight 12-inch bob and she has this beautiful fluffy texture. You'll see straight out of the box you get a nice, beautiful, big, fluffy bodied girl. We're gonna go in and silk press it and give it a little tame. It just gives this super beautiful blowout style with a nice beautiful sheen. She is a Malaysian origin, so you get 1 to 2 years lifespan, and if you're like me and don't wear your wigs consistently straight through for that 1 to 2 years, you can even add more time to that. She's 130% density and a 13x6 cap construction. So you can definitely have fun and move the part around, but I am obsessed. Perfect for every day, especially the girl who doesn't want to look like Beyonce in the Ba Ba Boom. She really just wants her natural hair put on a wig so she can take it off, put it on, and low maintenance. And because there is a drawstring added to this cap, you have a put on and go technology where you put her on, everything, and then you just adjust that drawstring and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check her out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, let's jump right into it. Today I've teamed up with Myfirstwig and we've got a beauty here. So this here is a kinky straight bob, and this is what it looks like straight out of the box. You can see here she is nice and full. So this one here has a pre-everything cap construction with a pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. When you flip her over, you can see this is the inside construction of the cap. It has that gorgeous scallop cut along the hairline, which is going to make this one fit nice and seamless. So for the cap construction, this one here is a traditional cap with the upgraded drawstring. So beneath the lace, you do have your smaller combs right up top. Beneath that, you definitely have your adjustable and removable elastic band, and it does have that grip technology here, so when it sits back there it'll stay in place and not just be under your wig flip-flopping. At the nape you also have a small comb for a little added security, your adjustable straps to keep it nice and tapered back there, and then of course that beautiful upgrade of the drawstring. Okay, so we went ahead and adjusted everything, but I do want to make note there is a little bit of extra lace and it also has that scallop cut back there. So if you're a girly who like to put your wigs up for any reason or bind them down in the back, there is a little bit of lace back there for you to do so. Now let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like on. Hairline so snatched. Look at that. It's literally not attached. All I've done is put the wig on, and so amazing how it just literally melts. So amazing. Even on this side, look at how the lace disappears into my own hairline. This here is my natural sideburns. And you literally can't tell where the wig starts and stops and where my hair starts and stops because it's just so seamless. This one also has a drawstring in the back, so you're able to lift, pull it out, and then you can adjust. There's a little stopper here, so you just go ahead and adjust that and get it as tight as you can. Lift and tuck and your wig is installed. Okay, love bugs, we are back. It is much later in the evening and I am ready to beat this thing, slay this thing real nice. So sit back, relax. We are going to be going ahead and doing a simple and easy install. Pin it back. We're gonna lay that foundation, which aka simply means we're going to go ahead and bind it down and make sure the hairline is perfection, and then we'll play on the ends. I never use got to be glue spray anymore, so let's try this out.
Running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Lines a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. All we be is family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best. Crew in the house. Let's go. Let's go. Diamonds on the game with the head set tight. Dropping buckets on the court, yeah.
Okay, so now let's do my edges. I just want to make them look a little bit sleek on the side. This is some, I forgot what it's called, braid gel. I bought a big tub because, you know, we're in competition season. So I bought the big tub to be able to do the girls' hair, and I put a little in a little food jar to bring down here with me because I like the way this works. See how it smooths that out really good? Maybe you can't see it, but it's like a T.
It's the Lions crew in the house. Let's go. Let's go. Diamonds on the game with the head set tight. Dropping buckets on the court, yeah, shots too nice. The colder towards the living room, dancing on beat. Dominant jumps in with a happy little feet.
Let's go ahead and tint the hairline.
Cool kids with their own big vibe. Laughing all day when they're side by side. The Lions kids, yeah, they shine so bright. Playing, dancing, laughing from morning to night. Diamond, minute in the Dakota on the run. 3 best friends just having some fun. Love so strong, you can feel it in the air. The Lions crew, nothing compares. Give me dancing sunshine every day. They lift the day. They lift each other up in the sweetest way. The Lions, kids, yeah, they're wild, sweet and true. A family full of love and everything they do. Diamond, diamond, Dakota, can't you see? The Lions.
Let's go ahead and take care of these gorgeous ends. Because this one is nice and full, I'm going to part it out just because I know that trying to roll over with the flat iron on top, I won't be able to access the bottom. So I'm just gonna work in sections and just go ahead and straighten it. I'm not sure I'm gonna do a bump at the ends, but you guys know when it comes to like a bob length, most likely I will. We are working with the baby list, so let's just get into it. The hair is nice and smooth. It has a ton of movement. It's not stiff by any means.
It's the Lions crew in the house.
Look at how beautiful that is. Amazing.
Let's go. Let's go. Diamonds on the game with the head set tight. Dropping buckets on the court, yeah, shots too nice. The colder towards the living room, dancing on beat. Dominant jumps in with a happy little feet. 3 cool kids with their own big vibe. Laughing all day when they're side by side. The Lions kids, yeah, they shine so bright. Playing, dancing, laughing from morning to night. Diamond, minute in the Dakota on the run. 3 best friends just having some fun. Love so strong, you can feel it in the air. The Lions crew, nothing compares. Give me dancing sunshine every day.
Wow, look at how amazing this one presses out. And the best part is that it keeps all of the body. So she's nice and fluffy. It's giving like a really good blowout with a simple bump at the bottom. So let's go ahead and do the sides so we can bring it all home.
It's Bogmass time, and the kids won't sit still. Somebody lost a sock, someone spilled the milk for real. Wilbury, rolling with the chaos, making memories on the way. Welcome to the Lion's house, flower starts today.
Now look at how amazing this one came out. She's absolutely gorgeous. She is a perfect natural bob. You guys seen how much body and just vibrance she had when you first put her on, and look at how sleek and tame she is now. We even did a light bump at the front to really accentuate and like face frame or frame the face, and I love it. The best part is that the hairline is super snatched, and there goes my hot tool. But you can see here you don't really need much at all. I think the one thing we can go and do is tint the lace. So let's do that before I forget. This is shade 15. And if you already know, 15 is what I like to put in my parting. Just simple and sweet like that. And then I'll take that same product, but in the 16, which is a shade deeper, and we go for the hairline. Now, for some reason, when you put the same product in the hairline and the parting, something be a little bit off. So when we do a shade darker than my skin tone in the hairline, it just pops and it just gives perfection. So that's what we do. Now, this one here is the perfect bob for the everyday girl. If you're someone who is trying to get into wigs, or you're into wigs but you want something that is natural, like your fear of like silky straight textures, I think this is one for you because it definitely gives that natural hair in a pressed out or blown out state, and I'm here for it. I believe I showed you already, but I'll show you again. At any given point while rocking this wig, you decide you want to adjust it, make it a little looser or a little tighter. There's always the option to go ahead and lift the wig and grab that stopper and just go ahead and adjust and make it looser or tighter to your liking. And then you lift and tuck that back under, and just as simple and easy, you have taken your wig and customized the fit to the perfect tightness and likeliness for you.
Boot it up.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, we back online. Kid Diamond in the lobby and he's ready to shine.
Okay, so tell me how you like it better. Do you like it with the traditional bump, or do you like it like this? I like it like this because it gives that AirFluff vibe, a nice fluffy wig, but it shows a little bit of bump and personality, if you will. 2T. So before we head out, this is the packaging from Myfirstwig. Open it up and you get a couple of goodies. So in my wig, you did get a pack of wig caps, and they are nice and brown like me. We also got the rat tail comb. You can never, ever, ever, ever not have a rat tail comb. Like, I have to have one. And then we have here the dust bag, or the garment bag is a better name for it. And this here has the Myfirstwig logo. Matchy matchy, super cute. So it's really nice to make a care package for yourself and store your wig here. It's very unique because, I mean, how many brands do you know they give you a garment bag instead of the regular dust bag? 2T. Last but most certainly not least, we do have an info card here that lets us know the specs on our wig. This one here is a kinky straight 12-inch bob in the texture Malaysian. Malaysian hair is amazing because it has a 1 to 2 year lifespan. And if you know me, I don't wear the same wig for 1 to 2 years straight. So the less you wear it, the more you extend that lifespan. So that's amazing. The color on mine is a natural black color. It's a size 1 cap, which is why it fits me so good. Be sure to check your head size by measuring your head if you don't already know. That way you can go ahead and get the perfect size so that your wig fits you glueless as well. And then most certainly it is a 13x6 wig with a 130% density. I think the 130 is perfect. Anything thicker, fuller might be a little bit too big when it comes to trying to wear it in a straight state, but perfect if you want to wear it like wild and natural, if you will. So this is our gorgeous girl. Super beautiful. Here's a glimpse of what she looks like from the back. Again, 2T. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link in all the details to this beautiful girl down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.
Hey, Dakota wakes up with a smile so bright, dancing through the hallway.